friends. Hi, adventurous. This is my box of books.
I just got my books in the mail today. I am so excited.
This is a very exciting moment for me.
Our prototype books just came in the mail.
Very exciting day. We got something in the mail today.
All right, it's finally here.
The proof for my book.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay.
Oh, let's take a look. Without further ado, I'm shaking a little bit, and I have a nut, so stay back. Careful.
Thank you, everybody.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, okay.
There it is. Oh my god.
It's my book.
Look at this. Can you see it? Look at all my books.
There's so many.
Oh, it's so cute. Penny Brunner. It's all my books. It's all my books.
Today's the day. This is so cool.
Look at this. It's like a real book.
My first book.
This is my book. I wrote this.
I cannot say how surreal it feels to actually hold this in my hands, to know that this book was written by yours truly.
Look at that.
I'm pretty proud. I'm not gonna lie.
It's here.